Eita, tá doida? Eita, tá doida?
Гледаш ли ти огледала?
Имам огледало,
гледаш ли?
Аз ти давам мега, че завивам.
Като си най-отдесно и отзаде има кола, трябва ли да тръгнеш?
Как
Ти
трябва?
добре ли си?
Как
Трябва ли да тръгнеш като си спрел, бе?
Къде ме удари?
Видиш ли тази камера горе? Видиш ли? Я помогни.
That was close. Right, we are on the way deep into enemy territory. This is really going to be behind enemy lines. I'm exposed. I'm naked. ABS, guys. Yeah, get on. How old are you? 17. Can I get on the back? If you was a year older, I'd tell you can get on the back. Huh?
Can I not?
If you was 18, then yeah.
I am 18.
You have to show me your ID.
Don't let him, mate, he's just fucking well pissed.
Listen, he's lying.
Yeah.
Can you let me?
Please don't.
Are you her boyfriend?
No, this is my family friend. Let me on the back, we'll go round once.
Well, one, you're not 18.
No, I'm not 18.
Yeah, and two,
No, I am 18.
you just caught yourself out.
Come on, you should let me.
No.
You don't want to let me have a go.
No, I'm sure.
Sure.
18 plus on the back of this.
Alright then.
See you around.
Rapaziada, olha isso aqui. Essa vai pro X-Race. Só em Caxias, rapaziada. Meu Deus. Maneirinho. Olha, rapaziada.
Adding on the 60. Bro, how do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel?
How's the bike?
It's
Please tell me you're okay.
how do you feel?
Oh.
Hey, they're spilling gas. They're spilling gas. Here, watch out from that enough.
Yeah, make sure there's no gas leaking.
It is leaking.
How was your legs? Just hurt? Hurt?
Do you want me to lift up your head?
I think you might have had a little break for
Making jokes?
He said, I think you might have had a little
Here,
break
I'm gonna try to
there.
pick your head. Tell me if you want me to stop. Oh, you good? Okay. Here, you can put your head down now. There's a glove. Or are you gonna try to get up?
Well, how much do I owe you?
Yeah, boy. Hello? Hello? Nothing? I'm gonna go around now. Oh, you serve them? Hi, I've been trying to use it.
For motorbikes, you need to come inside, sir, alright?
What do you mean?
I can't
Right. Don't worry, it's fine. Take your helmet off. You can see more of my face like this than people do with the masks on. I should have just pulled over and went in. No chance, mate. You lost a customer. What the? I've never had a problem with the drive-through. But if you can't serve me, why don't they just say, sorry, we can't serve you, or come to the window, not just let me sit there. I don't understand that. I'm actually going to Google that when I get home. I'm like, can they actually serve you in drive-throughs? Because it doesn't make sense. For security reasons, you can't see your face. So if someone goes in now with their hood up and a hat on, sunglasses and a mask, will they refuse him because you can't see his face? I don't think they will.
I didn't think much of it. I saw a big gap, I went for it. I'm already there, and out of the blue, he hit me. For no reason whatsoever, I was already in front of him. He decides to hit me. Like,
there's a bay there, mate. Pull over. There's a bay there, pull over. You hit me, it's on camera. I'm recording you, it's on camera, pull over, mate.
I hit you.
You did. My boot is pull over. Please.
Seriously?
Come on, yes. Pull over. We told pull over. Yes. Go. Yes. Mate, you wanna get to the corner because it's not a nice place to stop. Why did you go into me, mate? Look. That was you. That was all you. Why did you do that? I was already in front of you. Do you have insurance?
Just go home, boss. That's it.
Do you have insurance?
I have insurance. That's what I'm saying.
Alright.
So what do you want to do? Take out my insurance?
What do you want to do? Do you want to pay for it? It's just a boot. You want to pay for the boot?
I'll pay for the boot.
How?
You take my number,
And then never hear for you again.
Boss, look at my van, yeah?
I see your van.
Do you think, yeah, I'm scared of this stuff?
It's not scared, mate, but I was already in front of you. Why did you hit me?
If you want to take my insurance, I'm telling you, it's a long process. Yeah?
I know. No, look.
Look at my van. There,
look,
there,
that happened to me already.
Everybody on me.
It's not on you, mate. What? You hit me. I didn't hit you. You hit me.
On me. Look. You want some more? He took some more off of that one. And then another person took off of this one.
Wait, why did you hit me? You hit me, I didn't hit you, you hit me. I'm on my way home as well, like you most likely.
And all I'm saying is sorry.
Look, you didn't damage the bike, I appreciate that. You fucked my boot, alright?
Can I fix it for you?
You can get me another one.
Can I fix it for you? Right now?
No, you can't. That part is missing.
I'll fix your boot right now. I'll fix it for you right now.
No, look, that is missing.
Come in. I'll fix your boot right now. Look, see? It's looking good. Look.
Yeah.
Watch it. It's looking good. Wow. It's looking good. Look,
mate, look at that. Look.
It's looking good.
You listen to me. I didn't get injured. I don't care about the insurance. If you pay the boots, I'm good with you.
Take my number, man.
Otherwise, it's on camera.
Take my number.
All right. What's your... Look, I'll be honest with you.
See, it's cool.
Right,
yeah.
alright. I'll be honest with you.
Alright.
I'll be honest with you.
I'll phone you,
Listen,
right?
if you pay for the boot, we're friends. We're good, okay?
Yeah. No, because I'm not really.
Mate.
I don't want to argue,
We're good?
and I don't want no problems either.
I don't. It's just a headache, right?
know?
I want to go home as well, mate. Take care, all right? Be careful.
Hey, drive safe, man.
I was already in front of you. You hit me. Okay.